Today I'll show you how to connect N8N to YouTube. So in N8N we have a YouTube node. Just go to the plus, write YouTube, you'll find it here. Alright, and you get a lot of options. Don't be scared, it's very simple. Just pick whatever you want. For example, get channel, and you can change from here. Alright, we went back to our node. So first things first, you need to connect N8N to YouTube API. How you do that? Well, you go to credentials, create new credential, and now we get to the tedious part. It's easy, but takes a bit of time. So all you have to do is just go to Google Cloud and go to console. Of course, you need to have a Gmail account, for example. It gives a free trial, so let's go with it. So once you go to the console, you get this. At first, it will tell you to create a project. As you can see, I have two projects here, but let's create a new one. For example, I will call it N8N. Let's do that. The location or organization, we create it. Now we wait for it. Let's select the project, and as you can see, we are in the project right now. What we need to do is just go to the sidebar, go to API and Services, oauth consent screen. So press here. At first, it will get you like this. Don't worry, just get started here. Wait for it a bit to load. Just give the app name. Basically, you have to fill all of these. Give app name, give email, then select external, next contact information. Alright, this is our email. If you're interested, contact us, by the way. Next, finish, I agree, and continue. Now we press create, it's processing, and will be put right here. Now we can create our oauth client. So go to create here, select the application type, which is web application, and now we just fill this in. The name, let's call it YouTube N8N, for example. Very creative, I know. So now for the redirect URL, add the URL, of course, and go back to your N8N and copy this. Go back here, paste it, and we're done. Just click create and so keep in mind this. So create it, and now you have your oauth 2.0. So go here because we're gonna need the password. So just download this, and if we open the file, as you can see, we got the info all right here. So what we need, or what N8N needs, is the client ID, which should be around here. Yep. Copy this, go back to N8N, paste it here. Now copy the client secret. Take this and paste it. And now you will be prompted to sign in with Google. Before you press sign in with Google, we need to give it permission first. So go back to your console, which is here. Go to audience, set of clients, and add test users. Here you will add the email that you will sign in with. So add it here. Of course, it needs to be a Gmail, by the way. If you do another email, it will not work. Add it here, so it should be correct. When you sign in with Google, it will connect. But before we start working, there's something we need to do. Of course, we need to activate the API. So again, go back to the console, go to Google Auth platform here, and write YouTube. And as you can see, there are two APIs, more APIs. We need the data API, so click on it and just enable it. Once you do all of that, if you go back here, I already connected. So the video, I chose the resource video. I want to get it, the project ID. Let me show you how to get it. Go to your preferred channel. Let's go to straight to point, and we're gonna pick our latest video. Give it a watch, guys. It's really interesting. So once we go in here, in this video, we will copy this and we go back to our N8N, we paste it here, and we execute the step. As you can see, it gave us a lot of information. Feel free to dive down in it, but yeah, that's how you connect YouTube to N8N, and see you next time. Goodbye.